Do you have this problem too? When you go out with friends, you always can't contact each other. Now everyone is using this walkie-talkie to communicate. As long as there is a signal, it is an intercom with no distance limit. It can reach up to 6,000 kilometers, and its small size makes it easy to carry with you. You can take it wherever you go, and you don't have to worry about getting separated from your friends. The sound quality of this walkie-talkie is also very good. There is no noise during the call, making your communication smoother. Whether you are out with your family, having dinner with friends, or even at work, it can be used. It is really convenient to communicate anytime and anywhere. Such a cost-effective walkie-talkie. What are you still hesitating about? Hurry up and leave a message to contact us to order. Next, I will show you the details of the fuselage. If you have any questions, you can leave a message and contact us at any time. Our team will respond as soon as we see the message.